Today we will be performing an act to tell you about time management. So let me take you how a normal day of my office looks like. This is Muskan, our manager. She loves to assign her tasks to other employees. This is Alan, a workaholic employee, and he just can't refuse the manager who assigned the task to her. This is Bhavika, a capable employee who knows which task to get assigned and which can be completed within the day. This client again. Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Please send I'm going to print by tomorrow itself.
Okay, I'll call my employee to handle it out. Are you?
Hold on. Are you coming, ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
I know you are already working on a side project. Could you do a favor for me? You have to just create more template to this project and add more feature and interactivity. And you have to submit it by tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am. I will try to make it work.
Okay, thank you.
I have to complete it by tomorrow's evening. So let's get into it. Seems like I have plenty of time left. Let's just scroll through social media and I will get back to you. After time is gone, I think speed up my document. Only 3 hours left. Now this can't be done. I made a mistake by taking this work. I'm screwed now. I think I should ask my employers for some help.
Yeah, what's happening? Why are you trying to do so?
Because I have a lot of work to do and I don't have much time left.
Well, I think that's because you have done very little planning and you have a lot of work.
Well, I know I've taken a lot of work which I shouldn't take, but you see what the mess is all about.
That's exactly it. You accept so much, but you do not plan how to do that.
Okay, so I know that and I'm not in mood for a lecture. So can you tell me what do I do now?
That's simple. Time management. First of all, list all your tasks along with the deadlines on a sheet. Then decide which is the most important one and do that.
So I can't just choose my work the way I want it.
No, not unless you want the boss to do that with the promotions. Okay? First of all, you are supposed to list them and then the task that you are choosing, break it down into smaller chunks so that you can analyze the progress as well.
Well, that seems easy. I will get to it.
And make sure you do not fall into distractions and waste your time.
Distractions? Are you talking about the real break that I take?
Exactly, because nobody comes back from a real break in 5 minutes, it's always more than 30.
Couldn't agree more.
Right.
So what I should do is prioritize my task.
Exactly. Manage your time before your time manages it.
And avoid the distractions.
Right.
Thank you for the kind words.
I will be watching you.
As we have seen, our teammates, they struggle to do their work. One make efficient use of their time, one just waste it. Our skit may be ending, but the time is not. Time is keep moving. Whether we have use it wisely or make it waste by just procrastinating, scrolling, or saying I will do it later. Remember, once time is gone, there is no Control plus Z button. So take control of your schedule and make efficient use of time. Stay focused, set goals, and prioritize your task. Because in the end, it's not about how much time we had, it's about how much efficient we have used it.